You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix the no internet connection error on your iPhone even when Wi-Fi is connected. First, restart your iPhone and your Wi-Fi router. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 15 seconds, then off. This refreshes all connections. If the problem persists, forget the Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings. Then Wi-Fi, tap the eye next to your network and select Forget this network. Then rejoin by entering the password. Update your iPhone's iOS in Settings, then General, then Software Update. An outdated OS can cause connectivity issues. Reset your network settings by going to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Check for a captive portal. Some public networks require a sign-in page to open in Safari. If no page appears, try opening safari.com to trigger it. Lastly, ensure your router's firmware is updated and that it's not blocking your iPhone's MAC address. If none of these steps work, contact your internet service provider for more simple iPhone troubleshooting. Subscribe to the channel